Freddy, could you make the auto island move faster? Our Mr. Netto has something really urgent.
Miss, we cannot speed up anymore. Mr. Carson will be mad if we race in the woods.
Oh, then how long will it take to the Walden?
Probably half an hour.
Oh my, it's too long. We promised Mr. Netto to find her friends, right? If we keep going slowly, we will miss Miss Version. Fine. Freddy, quick, drink it. It's the Bravey Charging Hopping Potion I made this morning. Just drink it.
What are you... Wait a minute.
Miss, you're really going to sell your potion?
See? Now you've got a lot more strength, right? I added the most effective tears of the pure-blooded Karesk and the strongest bile acid of the blue lobster. Definitely makes you forget the fears and be courageous and excited for 2 whole days without food and drink.
Miss Sotheby, did you feed him a whole bottle of that? It's too dangerous. Too bad. He doesn't look right. Hold the handrail!
Whoa! I've never felt so good in my whole life! Charge, baby! Charge! Charge to high heaven! The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round!
No way. Too fast. The speed... It's illegal in the city.
Hey, Pretty! We're at the bar already! Don't step on it! Stop! Already! Help! Hit it! No!
Oh, it hurts. Miss Sotheby. Miss Sotheby, are you all right?
Where are we? I know we crashed into the back wall of the Walden.
Yes, but it looks like an underground labyrinth.
Whoa! Did we really crash into the back wall of the bar? The auto island. It's stuck in the wall. Freddy! Oh, fortunately you just passed out. Oh, this is too bad. This is real bad. If Mr. Carson knows I broke the barkeeper's wall. Oh.
The car is stuck in the wall. We have to find another way out.
Let's get out of here quickly, before Mr. Carson knows it.
Caspita, the crash just now awakened the critters in the underground.
Let me see what it looks like. Ah, it's a carbuncle that's parasitic on the dust. They all act in groups. Generally speaking, if you see one carbuncle, it means there's a large group of carbuncles around here.
We have to beat them before we leave.
Okay, let's do it. My alchemy will definitely come in handy.
Not afraid of you. You are just a pile of cards.
That's them? Don't worry, you won't cry soon! Police is numbered. I'll cut it on your face.
Smaller than the stars, bigger than the mushrooms.
Easy, poor thing.
How dare you?
That's them?
Handle it gently.
Go to hell! Huh, Prego!
My child, here's something fun for you.
Don't worry, you won't cry soon! I'll give you the time to pray. Police is numbered. As if possible. I'll carve it on your face. Ciao, amore! Easy, poor thing.
Take it easy.
This way?
Try for free. Try for free.
Let's play peekaboo. I will help you.
How dare you?
Interessante, interessante!
This way?
Bloody prom.
Smaller than the stars, bigger than the mushrooms. Let's play peekaboo. I will help you.
The ocean dried and I'm alone again.
Freddy. Miss Sotheby, you seem to know the Walden better. Please lead the way.
Sure, no problem. Though it looks different from the bar I imagined, I will definitely find the right way out.
Please, help me. Schneider. It hurts so much. Who's there?
Who are you talking to?
I just heard. Is it my mistake? No, it's not. The liquid flowing out of the wall, it's a mixture of human blood and vomitus. This is truth serum.
Mr. Netto? Why are you talking to yourself against a wall? If you want to get out soon, follow me!
I will be there right away.
Okay, I already know where to go. Follow Sotheby! Let's go left!
It shouldn't be a mistake. There is a human imprisoned by Arcanum in this speakeasy. I have to report it to the timekeeper as soon as possible.
Thanks for coming to assist.
To make you ask Madam Z for help. It must be tough here.
I just don't feel good about this. Hopefully it's my misjudgment. Is everyone in position?
Yes. 8 of the team got the invitation to the gathering. They have entered separately. Others are standing by at every entrance of the speakeasy. These are the intels we got about the Walden. They're going to hold a live jewel show tonight. Fighters can win stock in the amount of $1 million, and the betting odds can be from 5 to 1 to 10 to 1.
They are crazy.
Timekeeper, please, take this with you. It's the latest product from the Scientific Computing Center. Heaven Apostle 34-7. They've added the cell sap of the Bombard Ball to it. Unfold its wing, and it will blast in 15 seconds. The blast is unidirectional. Please watch your position when you use it.
Got it. Let's head down to the Walden now. You follow Apple. Remember to stay low profile.
Welcome. Welcome, everyone. All the new immigrants, arcanists, moralities and immoralities, anti-Saloon League and democratic progressives, free thinkers and churchgoers. Welcome to your eternal home, the Walden. How was it? You seem to be enjoying the last show? The hooch dance girl with the boa constrictor? Well, in that case, next round's Python Suite is all on me. I assure you every Chicagoan loves the YY bourbon. You won't forget its charm. Oh, I guess your eyes are fixed on the charts. Don't worry, my friends. Let's focus on the next duel instead. Trust me, and you'll get the return beyond your craziest imagination.
Ah, so crowded. This Apple's favorite bow tie almost gets lost. Why is the speakeasy so busy? It doesn't look like an illegal place at all.
This is the only speakeasy in the States that has never been given a shakedown. It's said that Forget-Me-Not, owner of the speakeasy, can make a potion drink which is not alcoholic until people drink it. From purchasing raw materials, getting a medical store license, distillating, transporting and selling, and ensuring the security together with gangs, we got nothing on them. It welcomes all the marginals and doles out patronage positions. Through this, the Walden has already cemented itself as the one above all other speakeasies in Chicago.
Did you find out the relationship between Manus Vindicte and him?
No. His document was edited purposely, but we can be sure he is from this era. However, we found that the time he made contact with the politicians was close to the beginning of the unusual boom of the domestic financial market. Since then, you can't talk about arcane stock trading without mentioning the Walden.
All right, my friends. We're about to have a taste of tonight's appetizer. Let's welcome our fighter of the year, the defender of the undefeated honor of knocking out 10 consecutive arcanists and human challengers.
It's her.
Then which guest will have the honor to be the challenger of the duel?
$1 million coupon? You get beat the crap out and lie in bed for 2 months. Worth it!
I prefer betting. Maybe I can get a Hamptons villa.
The fate of this challenger, we let the spotlight decide. The spotlight chose you, lady with the top hat.
Shit.
What a God-blessed
Nice! Get on the stage! You can do it!
I give you Schneider, the defending champion of last year, and the timekeeper from St. Pavlov Foundation, Miss Vertin.
Shit, they got our intels too?
I'm going. Don't worry.
And now, let the duel begin.
Long time no see, Miss Governor. It seems my lord would like to see me kill you myself. He has even created such a chance on purpose. Oops! I missed it. Come on! Why do you have to waste your life? Are you here to enforce justice of the Foundation? The Foundation obviously has no justice. You don't even dare make the storm public. Turn down my families with ridiculous lies. Is that your so-called justice?
You've been there. The scent of Orange and Soneto's mission capsule. That's why you can hijack the hostages outside the parking.
There is no shelter there for me. Then all I can do is to complete the tasks for my lord. Oops, I just lost my focus. I won't become serious now.
Want to offer your seat to the senior? Handle it gently. Take it easy. A little bit hot here. Handle it gently. Take it easy. Handle it, take it easy. Hey! Handle it gently. Bloody prom. Flying handbag for only 3,000 crocodiles. The ocean dried and I'm alone again.
Blooming souls.
Would you buy me a drink? Try for free. Try for free.
Whoa! I'm gonna raise! Just on that for whatever.
Come on, the champion! I bet all my money on you!
Ah, the Dow rockets to 381.17. Then I add 5,000 more.
Aha! Nice. Nice. Miss Governor, you're much better than I thought. Not like the little punks in the Foundation.
Why did you go to the Foundation? Can't the Manus give you what you want?
Of course, it's because we, the ones sifted out by the storm, want to live. The storm is about to fall. Who cares whether the shelter is the eave or the rubble?
What if I say, I can provide you with the shelter?
The person who said this to me last time is just sitting behind us watching the game.
Huh? The trend is falling by 31%. Is it me or?
There is no way ahead. It seems to be another dead end.
Huh? Behind this wall, I hear many cheers. This is the exit. It leads to the outside.
There are indeed many voices. Huh? Timekeeper? I seem to hear her voice.
Hey! Anyone here? Help us, please! We're trapped behind the wall!
No, they cannot hear us. Let me blast the wall.
No way! It sounds like a banquet outside, a cheerful one. It would be bad if the rubble hit them. Let me look through the cracks. It seems we are behind the spotlight. The cracks are huge. why don't I use a corrosive potion to dissolve them so we could move the bricks?
Good idea. Let's start from the middle. We should get out of here as soon as possible. Timekeeper, she definitely needs my help.
Aha! The joy from the bottom of my heart.
Another 19% down? What the hell? What are they doing?
Can I get my 5,000 back? No?
Hey, Forget-Me-Not! Is there something wrong with your chart? Today's not April Fool's.
What's the matter? Seems no one cares about us anymore, Miss Governor. If that is the case, I'll make your arms bleed, my lord. Will the audience be interested then?
Oh, the market's really dropping ahead of time. To accelerate the history like this, is that for...
Can't you feel the pain? That's really annoying. Next time if I aim at your thigh, will they be more attracted?
Damn it! Is it going to hit the downside? I should have sold it. Go to hell.
My house. No, my everything. Get my money back. Give it back, you son of a...
Hello? Darling? No, I can explain. It's just for the moment. Do you think the Wall Street bankers will just sit around and watch? What? Everyone is exiting? The trading volume is more than 12 million shares.
Hey, you my house. Who has the cash? You tell me. Who has the cash?
Let me out. I'm in a hurry. I need to go home. I need to go home.
Hilarious. I'm killing people, but nobody gives a damn.
It's too dangerous. Why doesn't Vertin use that blasting bombard ball?
No, not yet. We're fighting up close here. Can't let the bomb give us away.
Fine. Enough fun for me. If I don't kill you, I'm afraid we won't be able to leave tonight. It would be great if I met you and your rubble first, and so we would have not... Forget it. Miss Governor, addio.
Timekeeper! Timekeeper, what's going on? You were bleeding.
I'm fine. Why are you behind the stage? But you seem well. Thank goodness.
Come here, quick! A lot of people are arguing there. Oh, careful! You'll be knocked down!
Those behind him are men of the Manus Vindictae.
Thank you all for giving this about-to-end world such an unforgettable curtain call.
Forget-Me-Not? I lost all the stocks I bought from you. How will you make up for it?
A very good question, dear Mr. Thomas. I am here to share good news with you, comparing with which the Dow dropping more than 300 is not worth mentioning. The world you live in, year 1929 of the Roaring Twenties, is welcoming its finale. And now I invite you to wait quietly for the finale to come.
Are you crazy? Do you know what you're talking?
Don't worry, he'll be quiet for a while. Hello? Oh, the Dow closed at 2:30:07. I see. That's it, my friends. Wall Street has collapsed. And the storm has finally come. At first, it's a drop of rain you can barely see from the drain, from the bottom of rubber shoes, from the milk about to be dumped. They become an unknown pond. Then the pond becomes the raindrop. It leaves the ground without hesitation, as if trying to get rid of a pernicious habit. A pernicious habit of this era and society. What I said caused uproar in the crowd, and that habit will only grow like a mutation haunting every living body. In the 60s, it crashed people into absurd cartoons. In the 90s, it turns our veins into cables. At last, all the absurdities will transform into a storm and eventually cleanse the world. Only the people who weren't sifted out have the right to reverse with us. These are the details that couldn't be revealed to the public. Our official, Miss Vertin, you must be familiar with it, right? You know this better than anyone else. The countdown to the sifting has already begun.
Correct. I finally got the answer.
That's all for what we know about the storm. And what our Institutum does is to catch in advance any time, event, or place that may cause the storm. For ourselves, we call it chaotic energy. According to the latest research materials, we infer that the storm that could reverse the world was caused by the original butterfly, flapping its wings in the ancient time.
The ancient time, you said? Is that the oldest of the oldest? Well, the time with no record.
I'm afraid it is. The butterfly created the prototype for the prehistoric chaotic energy, which became active and unstable through years of accumulation and evolution. Someone took advantage of its instability and created the storm that could reverse the world.
So the circles on your map, are they the markings of where the storm may occur this time? And the mark closest to us is now flashing with a red warning light.
Yes, because it's in the eye of the storm. In the Walden in Chicago, where your friends are now. Let us wish her the best of luck.
I finally got the answer. You were using the history to expedite the storm. Community conflicts, turbulent history, new technology, all of these may lead to the storm. Since the last day of 1999, the world started to get reversed by the storm, one after another. Which past do you want to return? 50 years ago? A century ago? Or...
The past with the right order, of course. Well, I didn't expect a human lackey to understand what the right order is. Friends of the Walden all along, there is not much time for us. Ask yourselves, Who will enlighten you of the impending doom but we, Manus Vindictae? The last 24 hours in your life, how are you going to spend them? To cry for your no longer valuable property? Lie to yourself that all this is not true? Or to take our mission to rebuild the world, extend your lives until you see the birth of a new order?
Put on the mask, and I won't get sifted out by the storm?
We will assure the safety of every one of us.
Please do not lie. You actually detained a human in your secret room.
So, your first mission to join us Manus is... these government lackeys who hide the truth of the storm from you. Take them down.
Are you really joining this insurgent organization? He's using your fears.
Miss Sonetto, we are scared, but we are free. You know what I'm talking about.
The rioters are here. Be careful. There are so many of them.
Where are my bodyguards?
Miss Sotheby, we're here. We'll have you surrounded. Please stay inside.
Of course, Mr. Carson lied to me. Fine. It's time to show the power of our manor. Mr. Nesho, we are here to help.
Everyone else come with me. Let's break out.
We've been waiting for this moment.
Let's go.
I'm not afraid of you. You are just a pile of cards.
That's them? Go to hell! Police's number. I'll carve it on your face.
Take it easy. Handle it gently. Try for free. Try for free. A little bit hot here.
Interessante, interessante!
This way? This way? Let's play peekaboo. I will help you. Everyone will love the blue bubble garden. Let's play peekaboo. I will help you.
That's them?
What did you say? Don't forget to come visit me.
Go to hell!
But I'm hungry.
Bloody prom.
Snack time.
The ocean dried and I'm alone again.
I'm going home. Let me out of here. I don't want any gathering. Screw the money. I'm leaving here, you lunatics. The door! Where's the door? The window? Did I go crazy too?
It's too dangerous outside. Without our masks, you'll soon get infected with the pernicious habits of the era and be sifted out by the storm.
I don't care. I don't give a fuck. I can never repay the debt in my lifetime. Let me go before I go insane. You are the government. I didn't do anything wrong. I'm begging you, help us.
Don't be afraid. We will definitely... Timekeeper.
They've reconstructed the building. All the exits are blocked.
We got 2 civilians hurt already. There are so many mass civilians among our enemies. The next battle will be harder.
We can't keep fighting like this. We need to find a way out.
Way out? Oh! Sotheby has got an idea! Everyone, follow me! The exit is just behind the spotlight on the stage. Hurry up! Don't be left behind!
We'll protect everyone on both sides. Hey, stay close if you want to live. Me!
The hidden path they just made. That may work. Leave 4 behind for the team. Everyone else move. Don't get caught.
Copy that.
Why would they go underground? There isn't even a window. It gets easier. Think of the time. She'll be back soon.
Huh? Why is it quite different from before? Was the wall in this colour just now? I think there was a turn at the end. Is it because of the Great Arcanum?
They've made an underground labyrinth in the speakeasy. The end of the labyrinth. What will that be?
Timekeeper, Sotheby and I have explored here for a while. The overall area of the secret chamber is not too big, but many obstacles here can move. It's easy to get lost. I had drawn a map before, and the exit is very close in this direction. As long as it's near the outer wall of the speakeasy, we will be able to break through.
Right. Mr. Netto is exceptional.
Okay. Then...
Yes. Follow the light. Do not make any noise. I'll meet you soon. I'll go get Marian. I think I can find her. She must still be here.
Is Schneider casting an arcane skill? She's near us. But why can I sense that?
Timekeeper, do you have any questions about the plan?
No, it's nothing. You make the call. There will be many unexpected dangers in the labyrinth. We need to move carefully.
Work begin. That's them?
Handle it gently.
Go to hell! Police's number. I'll carve it on your face.
Hey! How dare you?
That's...
Take it easy.
Don't worry, you won't cry soon! Police's number. I'll carve it on your face.
Flying handbag for only 3,000 Turbidantes.
My sword sharp.
Handle it gently.
I know the moon, and this is an alien city.
A little bit hot here.
world I have never seen before.
Bloody prom!
That's them?
Each moment, now night.